I already did that. Doesn't really matter, it's not like I'm using it.
Let us get
it's in the red forest over here. Pretty much go where the mini boss is, the big guy. Just go right through and then go into the red. Pretty much. You remember where the big guy is? Yeah, that should be it. You need like 90,000 in total. Okay, so I need to go either left or right, but I can still do most of the side content if there is any, so I'm gonna go left first in case I get locked into a path, and then just keep following. It is nice that the movement in the water is very fast. Hopefully the air one is faster.